Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the tablet. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the tablet. Removal. Important: make note of the locations of the retention clips on the battery cover. Take care not to damage these hooks during the removal process. Using a non-marring flat-bladed tool, carefully release the battery cover from the retention clips and adhesive on the display panel assembly. Lift the battery cover off of the display panel assembly and remove. Replacement. Important: the battery cover adhesive must be replaced every time the battery cover is removed. Place the battery cover into position on the display panel assembly. Carefully press down on the outer edges of the battery cover to snap it into place. Carefully apply pressure to the remaining edge of the battery cover to adhere it to the middle frame.